Hello, good morning students. You're all fine? Yes, all are fine. Okay. So here we are once again with a new chapter, the apple dumpling, right? Okay. Tell me, you know something about this chapter? No? Okay. Let's come to the point that what do you do when to make your dreams come true? Yes, आपने कोई सपना देखा है, उसे साकार करने के लिए आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, किस हद तक जा सकते हैं, till what to what extent can you go? Here, for example, let's take that you are dreaming of speaking English. आपने सपना देखा कि आप बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो, राइट? उसके लिए आप क्या क्या करोगे, क्या क्या करोगे, किस हद तक उसके लिए आप कोशिश करोगे? To what extent are you going to start it, right? So this chapter is about that only, that to what extent that old woman went to fulfill her wish. You know, for example, we learnt about Max, Benjamin and Carl, right? Benjamin, Carl, Max. Now what did Benjamin collect? Stamps. Max asked Benjamin to give him some stamps. But did Benjamin give him? No. Then Max asked Carl to give coins. Did Carl give him coins? No. But later on, Benjamin and Carl, both of them exchanged their stamps and coins with words, right? उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने स्टैम्प्स और कॉइन्स मैक्स को देख के वर्ड्स के साथ एक्सचेंज किया. टू एक्सचेंज मीन्स टू ट्रेड, राइट? टू एक्सचेंज मीन्स टू ट्रेड. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी, दिव्या, वामाक्षी, Sharvil. Okay. Now, Divya has crayons. Vamakshi has color books. And Sharvil has idea. Right? Now, Divya wants a color book. Correct? So what will Divya do? Divya will go to Vamakshi and tell her that I will give you my colors. Can you give me one of your color book? She has many color books. For example, she has 5 color books. Can you give me one color book? I will give you crayons. But Vamakshi has color books, but she has no crayons. So they exchange, and this exchange is known as barter. In the olden days, we had barter system. Barter system means to exchange goods in place of another goods, right? We did not pay money to them. Initially, in old days, we did not pay money. Whatever I wanted rice, if you have rice, you give me rice, I will give you wheat. In this way, they would exchange. And that exchange system is known as barter system, right? So, in this story is about an old woman. What is the story about? The story is about an old woman. Old woman. And this old woman had a desire to eat apple dumpling, right? What she wanted to eat? Apple dumpling. She wanted to eat apple dumpling. But what happened? She had no apples. But she really wanted to eat apple dumpling at no cost. कुछ भी हो जाए, पर आज तो मैं एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाकर ही रहूंगी. दैट वॉज हर डिजायर. एंड वॉट इज एप्पल डम्पलिंग? एप्पल डम्पलिंग इज अ डिश मेड ऑफ एप्पल वेयर एप्पल इज स्टफ्ड इन फ्लोर. जैसे भजिए बनाते हैं हम लोग, है ना, भजिए खाते हो, आलू के भजिए, उसी टाइप से ये भी एक एप्पल की डिश है जो आटे के घोल में लपेट के बनाई जाती है. राइट. सो दिस ओल्ड वुमन, शी वॉज वेरी वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ इट and she wanted to eat apple dumpling and she had tremendous desire. उसकी बहुत इच्छा हो रही थी कि आज तो मैं कुछ भी हो जाए एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाऊंगी. अब she had sugar, flour and butter. उसके पास क्या क्या था? शुगर था, फ्लोर आटा and butter, but she had no apples. She had no apples. Now from where is she going to get apples? अब पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मार्केट में जाके ले आओ. No, there were no markets. They would exchange goods for goods, right? So then what did she have in her garden? She had a plum tree. What did she have in her garden? She had a plum tree, right? So, what did she do then? She took the plums. अब plums क्या होता है? कोई बताएगा? Does anybody know what is plums? नहीं? आइडिया लगाओ, थोड़ा सोचो. पता है मार्केट में से आप जामुन खाते हो? Yes, जामुन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Plums, right? So प्लम ट्री थी, वो गई अपनी एक टोकनी में, उसने क्या किया, एक टोकनी में प्लम्स रखे. राइट. टोकनी के अंदर प्लम्स रखे और वो निकली किसी के साथ एक्सचेंज करने के लिए, टू एक्सचेंज द प्लम्स फॉर समथिंग. देयर वाज एन ओल्ड वुमन, शी वांटेड टू मेक प्लम जेली. उनके घर में प्लम जेली बहुत पसंद आती थी, तो शी wanted to make plum jelly and this old woman, she went to this young woman and she asked her to exchange it. She said, oh yes, I'm ready to exchange because I want to make plum jelly. उनको प्लम की जेली बनाना थी, तो वो एक्सचेंज करने के लिए रेडी हो गई और उन्होंने ये बास्केट क्या करा, ले लिया. राइट. When she took away this basket of plums, she gave something in return. What did she give in return? She gave a bag of feathers. A bag of feathers. Feathers यानी पंख, right? Soft पंख होते हैं ना, बहुत soft होते हैं, right? Then she gave her a bag of feathers. अब जब ये bag of feathers मिल गया, बैग ऑफ फेदर्स से तो एप्पल डम्पलिंग बन नहीं सकती थी. शी couldn't make apple dumpling with that bag of feathers. Then she moved further. Then she met a young woman. Right? इनके घर पे इनके जो फादर थे, फादर को एक सॉफ्ट पिलो चाहिए था. क्या चाहिए था? एक सॉफ्ट पिलो. अब वो सॉफ्ट पिलो चाहिए था, तो फिर पिलो के लिए क्या चाहिए थे? फेदर्स. राइट. So she agreed to take this bag of feathers. ये एग्री हो गई बैग ऑफ फेदर्स लेने के लिए और they exchanged it. They exchanged the bag of feathers with a bouquet of flowers. क्या मिल गया? एक फूलों का गुलदस्ता. बुके. बुके मीन्स गुलदस्ता. बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स. राइट. अब बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स मिल गया. अब बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स से भी एप्पल डम्पलिंग तो बनती नहीं है. फिर वो कोशिश करी आगे बढ़ने की और शी went on and then she met a young lord. उनकी मुलाकात किससे हुई? यंग लॉर्ड. लॉर्ड यानी जवान. राइट. तो यंग लॉर्ड. अब ये लॉर्ड क्या था? उदास था. ही वॉज वेरी सैड. वाई ही वॉज सैड? बिकॉज ही वॉज गोइंग फॉर हिज एंगेजमेंट, वो अपनी एंगेजमेंट करने के लिए जा रहा था। और ज्वेलर ने ये जो फिंगर रिंग होती है ना, एंगेजमेंट में क्या होता है, फिंगर रिंग पहनाते हैं, राइट। तो ज्वेलर ने उसको फिंगर रिंग्स बना के नहीं दी समय पे। ये बहुत दुखी था और क्या करेगा, ये अपनी होने वाली फियांसी के पास कैसे जाएगा, क्या लेके जाएगा, परेशान था। तो ओल्ड वुमेन इससे मिली। ओल्ड वुमेन ने क्या किया, ओल्ड वुमेन मेट हिम एंड देन व्हाट शी डिड, शी gave him the bouquet of flowers, right? फूलों का गुलदस्ता दे दिया। यंग लॉर्ड बड़ा खुश हुआ, वो इतना सुंदर फूलों का गुलदस्ता लेके, उसमें कई सारे सुंदर सुंदर फूल थे, वो लेके अपनी फियांसी के पास एंगेजमेंट करने गया। अब इस यंग लॉर्ड ने क्या किया, अब यंग लॉर्ड को भी बदले में कुछ देना पड़ेगा, बुके तो ले लिया, तो अपनी गले की सोने की चेन दे दी। क्या दे दिया, इन एक्सचेंज और गोल्डन, व्हाट डिड ही गिव, गोल्डन चेन, राइट, गोल्डन चेन। यंग लॉर्ड ने गोल्डन चेन दे दी। अब गोल्डन चेन से भी एप्पल डम्पलिंग बन नहीं सकती है, शी कुड नॉट मेक एप्पल डम्पलिंग विद द गोल्डन चेन। नाउ शी हैड टू मूव फर्दर, शी वाज नॉट एट ऑल टायर्ड बिकॉज शी हैड दैट इंटेंस डिजायर, बहुत ज़्यादा मन था एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाने का, इसलिए वो परेशान नहीं हुई। सोचा आज तो कुछ भी हो जाए, कितनी भी मेहनत करनी पड़े, मैं तो एप्पल डम्पलिंग खा के रहूँगी। अब ये गोल्डन चेन लेके आगे बढ़ी। फिर वहाँ पे आगे बढ़ने पे क्या हुआ, एक मदर मिली, गरीब लेडी, राइट। उसके बच्चे बहुत गरीब थे और बच्चों को खाने के लिए नहीं था, तो ये गोल्डन चेन उसने उस मदर को दे दी और बोला ये बच्चों को इससे खाना अरेंज कर दो, आप इसको बेचकर खाना खा लो, राइट, दे के खाना खा लो। अब मदर ने भी रिटर्न में कुछ दिया। मदर ने क्या दिया, एक पपी, राइट। मदर ने रिटर्न में क्या दिया, पपी। अब फिर और आगे बढ़ना पड़ा ओल्ड वुमेन को, और आगे बढ़ी और ओल्ड वुमेन को फाइनली एक एप्पल ट्री मिल गई। क्या मिल गई, एक एप्पल ट्री। इस पर बहुत सारे, देयर वर मेनी एप्पल्स ऑन दिस एप्पल ट्री, राइट, एंड the owner of this house was an owner of the tree, old man, right? इसका ओनर कौन था, ओल्ड मैन। अब he was also alone, very very alone, and he wanted someone to play with, someone to talk with. So this old woman came and asked him that, can you help me with apple dumpling? Can you give me some of your apples from your garden? So he did not agree. She said, I will give you my puppy and can you give me some apples from your garden? Then he said, oh, you're going to give me a puppy. I can play with him. He was very happy on seeing the puppy. So he agreed to take the puppy and he gave her some apples. And she took the apples to make apple dumpling. So see, कितनी कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा उनको एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाने के लिए, right? But that intense desire was there, which she fulfilled by going through so many hurdles in her life. To achieve something, you have to क्रॉस दीज हर्डल्स, ये बाधाओं को क्रॉस करना ही पड़ता है। अगर कुछ अचीव करना है आपको तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है, राइट। सो आपने देखा कि ये ओल्ड वुमेन ने कितनी मेहनत करी एप्पल डम्पलिंग पाने के लिए, कितने लोगों से उसको मिलना पड़ा और तब जाके फाइनली उसको एप्पल्स मिले। फिर घर आके उसने एप्पल डम्पलिंग बनाई और वो बड़ी खुशी से उस एप्पल डम्पलिंग को खाया। So this is the story about apple dumpling, right? Now, who is the main character in the story? इस story का main character कौन है जिस पे हमारी story चलती है, right? So the main character in the story is the old woman. Old woman. What did she want to eat? She wanted to eat apple dumpling, right? ठीक है? ये स्टोरी किसके बारे में है? एक ओल्ड वुमेन के बारे में. What did she want to eat? She wanted to eat apple dumpling, right? Now, whom did she meet first? First person she met was, whom did she meet first? Yes. Can anybody tell me whom did she meet first? Young woman. सबसे पहले मुलाकात हुई young woman, right? And what did the old woman have in her garden? She had a plum tree with red plums, right? Now with the young woman, what did she give her? Plums. What did she get in exchange? बदले में क्या मिला? A bag of feathers, right? What did she get in exchange? A bag of feathers. Now this old woman with this bag of feathers फिर आगे गई. फिर नंबर 2 पे किससे मुलाकात हुई? Next, whom did she meet? She met a, yes, whom did she meet? Now she met another young woman, right? She met another young woman. Now she gave the bag of feathers. She gave the bag of feathers. Now she gave the bag of feathers. What did she get in return? A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers, right? Now she got a bouquet of flowers. Again the old woman took the bouquet of flowers and she met a young lord. किससे मुलाकात हुई? Young lord who was going for engagement. He was going for his engagement. He took the bouquet of flowers and in return he gave a golden chain, right? She took the gold chain. अब सोने की चेन लेके फिर ओल्ड वुमन निकली अगेन in search of apples. So what did she do? She met a poor mother, right? She gave the apples to the poor mother. She gave the golden chain to the poor mother. Now the golden chain is given to the poor mother. Now the poor mother gives her puppy. In exchange, puppy. Now the old woman takes the puppy and further moves and she finds an old man. Now the old man takes the puppy and gives her apples. And she takes the apples to make apple dumpling. This is the whole chapter about the apple dumpling. Hope it is very clear. Now again you all will repeat after me. Where all did she go to get the apple, right? उसने apples पाने के लिए क्या क्या किया, कितने कठिनाइयों पार करके उसको वो apples मिले जिसकी वो apple dumpling बनाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. तो ये main character of the story. Who is the main character of the story? Old woman. What did she want to eat? Apple dumpling, right? और उसके पास क्या था? What did she have in her garden? She had a plum tree in her garden, right? Then the first thing she sets, she takes the plums in a basket and she moves further. The first person she meets is a young woman. That young woman took the plums. Why did she take the plums? Because she wanted to make plum jelly. उसको plum jelly बनाना था, इसलिए उसने plums ले ली. Now what did she give in exchange? In exchange she gave a bag of feathers, right? In exchange a bag of feathers उसने दे दिए. अब old woman वो bag of feathers लेके और आगे निकली. She moved further. When she moved further, what did she find? She found another woman. What did she want to do? She wanted to make a pillow for her father. So she took the bag of feathers because she knew that feathers would make the softest pillow. Feathers से सबसे soft pillow बनता है, उसे ये पता था, तो उसने ये bag of feathers ले लिया और बदले में क्या दिया? एक bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. Now the old woman again sat with the bouquet of flowers. अब वो कहाँ गई? Young, उसको रास्ते में कौन मिला? Young lord. अब ये young lord जो था ये बड़ा दुखी था. He was very sad. Why was he sad? Because the jeweler did not give him the golden rings for exchange. He was going for his engagement. वो अपनी engagement सगाई करने जा रहा था और जो ज्वेलर था, ज्वेलर यानी सोने चांदी का व्यापारी, right? उस ज्वेलर ने उसको सोने की अंगूठियाँ नहीं दी सगाई के लिए, बनी नहीं थी, right? So he took the bouquet of flowers. He was very happy कि मुझे कुछ तो मिला, मैं खाली हाथ नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं bouquet of flowers लेके जा रहा हूँ. And in exchange उसने bouquet of flowers लिया तो बदले में क्या दे दिया? एक golden chain दे दी, right? अब वो gold chain तो मिल गई, अब gold chain से भी apple dumpling तो बनेगी नहीं. ओल्ड वुमेन फिर वो गोल्ड चेन लेके निकली. रास्ते में किससे मुलाकात हुई? शी मेट अ पुअर मदर. नाउ दिस पुअर मदर, शी डिड नॉट हैव फूड टू गिव टू हर बेबीज. सो व्हाट डिड शी डू? द ओल्ड वुमेन गेव हर गोल्डन चेन टू द पुअर मदर एंड शी टोल्ड हर टू अरेंज फूड फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. नाउ द ओल्ड वुमेन इज नॉट गोइंग टू, the poor mother is not going to take the chain just like that. She will also give something in exchange. She had a puppy, so she gave the puppy to her, right? Now old woman again set off with that puppy, and then moving further she found an apple tree in the garden of an old man. एक old man के garden में apple tree मिला, and then there she went and she asked that old man to give her some apples from the garden. Then the old man did not agree. Then she said, okay, you can keep my puppy and give me some apples. So then he agreed. Oh, I got a puppy to play. He was very alone at home. He had no one to talk, no one to play with. So he kept the puppy and gave her the apples. And this is how she made her apple dumpling. So to achieve something, you have to put in your efforts. आपको मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है कुछ पाने के लिए, राइट? अब आपने देखा ओल्ड वुमेन थी, वो बुजुर्ग थी, लेकिन इसके बाद भी अगर वो एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाना चाहती थी, इफ शी वांटेड टू ईट द एप्पल्स डम्पलिंग, देन शी पास सो मेनी हर्डल्स, राइट? So in the same way, when you want to achieve something, you have to put in your efforts, right? So this is the story about apple dumpling. Okay? Now children, you can open up your reader book, page number 15. Yes, be ready with your reader book, page number 15. Hope you all are opening up your reader books. Open to page number 15, chapter number 3, the apple dumpling, right? Ready? All of you are ready? On this page, there is one activity given for you, okay? So you can play this activity with your friends, your brothers and sisters, or you can play this activity with your mama and papa also at home, right? See, In this activity, this is a game of barter. I showed you how the game of barter is being played. What do you mean by barter system? Barter system means exchange of goods for goods. Here the old woman exchanges the goods for goods. She exchanged the plums with a bag of feathers with a bouquet of flowers with a golden chain with a puppy with apples, right? So this whole thing is all goods are exchanged for goods, and this is known as barter system, right? And in this activity you can see who all are there. A toffee merchant, a cloth merchant, a painter, a cook, a toy store owner, a book seller. So these are the different occupations which the people are having. For example, a toffee merchant. Merchant, what do you mean by merchant? Businessman. He is selling toffees, right? Cloth merchant, he is selling cloth. Painter does the painting work, right? Cook does the cooking at home. A toy store owner, you all play with toys, right? Owner, malik. So a toy store owner means malik, dukan ka malik, right? A book seller who sells books, right? Now what are you going to do is, you are going to play this game with your brothers, friends, or mummy, papa, friends, anybody you can play, that is no problem, right? Now see, the cook wants a recipe book. Now the cook is fond of cooking. To cook, she needs new recipes, so she needs a recipe book and has 2 vegetable sandwiches to give away. Now what does she have with her? She has 2 sandwiches, vegetable sandwiches, right? The toy store owner wants a new shirt. Now he wants a new shirt. He's a toy store owner. Toys, he has lot of toys in his store and he needs a new shirt. The painter wants a bag of toffees. See here, the painter wants to eat toffees. The bookseller wants to eat sandwiches. The bookseller wants to eat sandwiches. And the cook has sandwiches and she needs a book. So whom is she going to go? That you have to find out. A cloth merchant wants to play board games. He wants to play carom, right? A toffee merchant wants a painting from his shop. So this is how you are going to exchange your things, what you have with you and what you don't have, you want to take it from your friend. So this is known as a barter system, and the whole story is about barter system which was there in the olden days. Today we exchange things for money. You go to the shop, you pay something and you purchase the thing, right? And this is the story about the old woman which we are going to start reading. Okay? Yes? Finger by finger, put your finger on each word and read with me. Okay? Start reading with me. Once upon a time, an old woman wanted to cook an apple dumpling for dinner. Now see, who wanted to cook apple dumpling? An old woman, right? Since cooking was her favorite pastime. What was her favorite pastime? Cooking. She loved cooking and she would cook new recipes in her free time. And apples were her weakness. She was very fond of apples, right? She had all the flour and all the butter. Now see, what all she had? She had flour, she had butter, she could want in her cottage. Cottage, now what do you mean by cottage? Cottage झोपड़ी होती है ना? Right. It's like a kacha house, cottage. She had enough sugar to cook 10 dumplings. Now how many dumplings she wanted to cook? She wanted to cook 10 dumplings. She had enough sugar. मतलब what all she had to cook apple dumpling? She had the flour, she had the butter and she had enough sugar. पर्याप्त शुगर थी एप्पल डम्पलिंग बनाने के लिए. Yes, there was one thing she did not have and that was apples. उसके पास जो नहीं था वो सिर्फ apples था जो नहीं था. And that she wanted to get it. Now she had a plum tree In her yard stood a tree filled with the roundest and the most beautiful red plums. Yard, आंगन होता है पीछे का, घर के पीछे जो आंगन होता है ना उसको यार्ड बोलते हैं, राइट? सो और उस पेड़ में कैसे जामुन लगे थे? प्लम्स यानी जामुन, मैंने बताया था आप लोगों को, गोल गोल सुंदर सुंदर लाल लाल जामुन लगे थे, सबसे प्यारे जामुन उसके गार्डन में लगे थे उस ट्री पे. Still, you cannot make an apple dumpling with plums. Plum से आप एप्पल डम्पलिंग बना सकते हो? No. And there is no use trying. आप ट्राई भी नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि एप्पल डम्पलिंग तो एप्पल से ही बनेगी, right? So the old woman filled a basket with plums and set out in search of someone with apples. अब उसने क्या किया, एक बास्केट के अंदर सारे एप्पल्स रखे. She kept the plums in the basket and she set out to exchange them for apples. She said to herself, she questioned herself, वो खुद से बात कर रही थी. There may be those in the world who have apples and need plums. दुनिया में ऐसे भी लोग होंगे जिनको प्लम्स की जरूरत है, right? Soon she came to a farmyard. Farmyard, एक छोटा सा खेत का ओनर, राइट? एंड सॉ अ यंग वुमेन. ये देखो, ये आप देख रहे हो यंग वुमेन को, एक फार्म यार्ड है यहाँ पे, राइट? शी एंड द ओल्ड वुमेन बिगिन टू टॉक. अब उस यंग वुमेन से वो बात करना शुरू करती है. शी स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग टू दैट यंग वुमेन. द ओल्ड वुमेन टोल्ड हर अबाउट द एप्पल डम्पलिंग शी वांटेड. वो क्या चाहती थी? एप्पल डम्पलिंग बनाना चाहती थी. तो शी इन्फॉर्म्ड हर अबाउट दैट apple dumpling. She wants to make the apple dumpling and she wants to exchange the apples with the plums, right? She showed the young woman her basket of plums that she hoped to trade. उसने वो प्लम्स की बास्केट बताई जो वो क्या करना चाहती थी, एक्सचेंज करना चाहती थी. हाँ, ट्रेड यानी एक्सचेंज, राइट? So she wanted to trade, she wanted to exchange. Then moving further, oh dear, said the young woman. Oh dear, said the young woman, I would love to make a trade. मुझे अच्छा लगेगा आपके साथ बिजनेस करके. My family loves plum jelly. मेरी परिवार को plum jelly बहुत पसंद है. You all eat jellies at home? Yes? Yet, all I have to give you is a big bag of feathers. अब मैं आपको सिर्फ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स दे सकती हूँ इन प्लम्स के एक्सचेंज में. Well, why not make a trade? चलो ठीक है, हम ट्रेड कर लेते हैं. We will exchange. Said the old woman. A bag of feathers, she thought, would be easy to carry. अब इसका वजन तो और कम हो जाएगा. प्लम्स का वजन तो बहुत हैवी था, right? So a bag of feathers, yes, it may be easy to carry. So she gets ready and she exchanges the plums with the bag of feathers. This is the first exchange which they do in this story, right? Then, so they did. उन्होंने कर लिया, एक्सचेंज कर लिया, ट्रेड कर लिया. The old woman went on. आगे बढ़ती गई. Soon she came to a house with a wonderful garden. एक बहुत सुंदर गार्डन के सामने एक घर था, वहाँ आ गई. All of a sudden she heard loud voices from inside. वहाँ जब वो खड़ी होकर उस घर को देख रही थी, अचानक अंदर से बहुत जोर जोर से आवाज़ें आने लगी. Right? She was hearing some sound, some talking going on in the house. Cotton, said a young woman loudly. अब आवाज़ क्या आई? Cotton. किसने बोला? Young woman. जोर से. Loudly, जोर से. Straw, yelled a man. Yelled, shouted. What do you mean by yelled? Shouted. Straw. Straw क्या होता है? घास फूस. Right? जो बिल्कुल हल्की वाली घास होती है ना, पतली पतली सी, उसको straw बोलते हैं. There is someone who can help us. यहाँ कोई है जो हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है. Said the young woman. She called, Good mother, would you help us decide something? Old woman को क्या बोलती है? Good mother, अच्छी माँ, आप क्या हमको कुछ मदद कर सकती हो? क्या हम लोगों की डिसीजन लेने में सहायता कर सकती हो? If you were making a pillow for your grandfather, अगर आप अपने पापा के लिए एक तकिया बना रहे होते तो आप अंदर क्या डालते? कॉटन डालते या कुछ और? The old woman shook her head. उसने सिर हिलाया. Feathers will make the softest pillow. ये जो मेरे पास पंखों का बैग है, इससे दुनिया का सबसे सॉफ्ट पिलो बन जाएगा. She said and handed them the feathers. और feathers का जो बैग था वो उनको दे दिया. As for me, if you can give me some apples for a bunch of flowers, I would be happy. अगर आप इस बैग के बदले में मुझे एप्पल्स दे सकती हो या एक बुके दे सकती हो, bunch of flowers means a bouquet, so it will be very good and I will be very happy, right? The man and the woman had no apples to give. Now see, they have no apples, they had a garden of flowers. They had no apples to give. Still they were glad to gather a bunch of roses, lilacs and lilies for their garden for her. Still in their garden, which were the plants growing? Roses, lilacs and lilies, and they were very pleased to give them the bunch of flowers, and the old woman took the bunch of flowers very happily because they were the beautiful and the most beautiful flowers from the garden, and the bouquet of flowers was very, very beautiful. And she took the bunch of flowers from them and she moved further, right? So hope the lesson is very, very clear to you. Read the chapter and we will be doing the remaining part of the chapter in our next period, right? So this is for today. Let's recall the story once again. The story is about an old woman who wanted to eat apple dumpling, but she had no apples. Then she only had a plum tree in her garden. She took the plums in a basket and she moved on further. She met a young woman who wanted to make plum jelly. She gave the plums to her and in return she got a bag of feathers, and then she moved further with the bag of feathers. She exchanged the bag of feathers with a bouquet of flowers. By taking the bouquet of flowers, she moved further. She met a young lord who had a bouquet, who was going for his engagement and he had no ring. So he took the bouquet of flowers and was very happy, and in return he gave a golden chain. The old woman moved further with the golden chain. On the way she met a poor mother with her hungry children. She gave away the golden chain to the poor mother, and then the poor mother in return gave her a puppy, and she moved further with the puppy and she met an old man and she gave the puppy to that old man, and that old man had a apple tree in his garden, and from that tree he gave some good apples to her, and she took the apples, she went back home and she cooked apple dumpling for herself, and she was very, very happy. This is all the whole story is about. Actually it is related to barter system, that in the old days how people used to exchange things for things, goods for goods. Barter system means exchange of goods for goods, right? So hope the chapter is very, very clear, and with this we come to an end of this chapter and we'll continue the chapter in our further class, right? Okay, till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe. Read the chapter thoroughly and recall the whole sequence. What is the chapter about? Who all the old woman meets on the way? What are the things she exchanges? And you can also play a little game of barter with your friends, your brother and sister, or mama, papa. Okay, right? Okay, then bye.